Hello. Today, we will introduce you to St. Petersburg, one of the historical and cultural riches of Izmir. I will talk about the Church of Polycarp. Saint Polycarp Church is one of the oldest and most important Catholic churches in Izmir. In 1625, King Louis XIII of France. It was built by order of Louis. The church is dedicated to Saint Polycarp, who is considered the patron saint of Izmir. Saint Polycarp lived in Izmir in the 2nd century and played a major role in spreading the Christian faith. He is known as the disciple of John, one of Jesus' disciples. Polycarp was martyred by the Romans in 155 and his memory is kept alive in this church. Saint Polycarp Church attracts attention with its baroque-style architecture. The interior of the church is decorated with magnificent frescoes and stained glass. These frescoes depict scenes from the life of Saint Polycarp and important events in Christian history. There is a statue of Saint Polycarp on the main altar of the church. The church is located in the Konak district of Izmir, very close to the city center. This historical building, which offers visitors both a religious and cultural experience, is also a symbol of the cosmopolitan structure of Izmir. Saint Polycarp Church, beyond being just a place of worship, also stands out with its historical and artistic value. This church, visited by many tourists and local visitors every year, is one of the must-see places for those who want to discover the rich history of Izmir. If you go to Izmir, don't forget to visit Polycarp Church. The mystical atmosphere and magnificent details of this historical building will take you on a journey into the past. Thank you for watching me. See you in other videos. Goodbye.